Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IndiaGATE. This is Nandani Sharma, and in this session we talk about the subjects antenna wave and microwave, which is most important subject of the electrical, electronics and CSIT student as per EKT syllabus. Now here I prepare 160 most important MCQ with related discussion, and this session is going to be very interesting. So let's get starting. Here first question of this session is, what is the purpose of antenna in this receiving process? So correct answer is option A, that is intercept RF signal radiated by the distant end radio. So option A is the correct answer. Now next question. Name the three components of the ground waves. So three components of the ground waves are direct wave, ground reflected wave and surface wave. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. In skywave propagation, dash provide the signal path between the transmitter and receiver. So correct answer is your ionosphere. In a skywave propagation, ionosphere provides the signal path between the transmitter and receiver. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. At the low frequencies, which among of the following wave propagation is used for communication? So correct answer for this question is option B, ground wave. Now come to the next question. Transmitting antenna converts the transmitter output power into N. So it is convert the power into the electronic magnetic field. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. What is a component of the ground wave which provide the best communication in UHF band, that is your ultra high frequency band? Now correct answer is your direct wave, that is your option C. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Name of components in the radiation field. So correct answer for this question is option B, that is electric and magnetic field. Okay, now next question. The polarization of a radiated wave is determined by, so it is determined by the direction of the electric line of a forces. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Which propagation wave provided the best communication in the VHF band, that is your very high frequency? So here correct answer is your ground wave. Option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. What are the two types of antenna polarization? So correct answer is your horizontal and vertical. So option A is your correct. Next question. Dash is used for transmitting and receiving radio waves. So correct answer is antenna is used for the transmitting and receiving radio waves. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. Which type of the antenna polarization is used in the medium and low frequencies? So vertical type of antenna polarization is used for the medium and low frequency. Option D is your correct answer. Next question. Identify the correct order of the regions of the atmosphere with respect to their heights. So correct answer for this question is option C, that is the stratosphere and ionosphere. Option C is correct. Next question. Where does a ground travel? So it does travels the near the earth surface. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. The term defines the periodic increase and decrease of received radio strength is. So radio strength is your correct answer for this question is fading. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. Name the types of radio wave propagation are used to at medium frequency band. So correct answer for this question is sky and ground. So these two waves are used for this wave propagation. Now next question. What is the purpose of the receiving antenna? So purpose of the receiving antenna is varies the frequency of the radio waves. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. How many type of the antennas are used in communication? So here infinity type of the antenna used in the communication. So option B is your correct. Next question. What is the dimension quality of the radiation pattern? So correct answer for this question is dimension quality is your 3D. Option D is your correct answer. Next question. 3 dB bandwidth is otherwise known as, so it is known as half power bandwidth. Option C is your correct answer. Next question. Dash is inversely proportional to the beam area. So it is called directivity. Directivity is inversely proportional to the beam area. Now come to the next question. Directivity is dash resolution. It is equal to resolution. Okay. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. Dash is an important parameter for antenna temperature. So gain is an important parameter for antenna temperature. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. Which among of the following is the virtual resistance? So correct answer is radiation resistance is your correct virtual resistance. Next question. Mention the theorem which can be applied to the both circuit and field theories. So correct answer is reciprocity theorem is correct for this question. So option C is your correct. Next question. Dash lobes are adjacent to the main lobes. So correct answer is side lobes is adjacent to the main lobes. So option B is your correct. Next question. Dash lobe is exactly opposite direction of the front lobe. So correct answer for this question is option D, that is your back lobe. Next question. Name of the field pattern that close to the antenna. So correct answer for this question is option A, that is your induction field. Next question. Directivity is always. So correct answer for this question is option B, that is greater than. Next question. Antenna aperture is same as. So it is same as area. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. The array of antenna is spaced equally along the straight line is called. This is called linear array. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. In a dash array, the radius along y direction. So it is broadside array. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. Mention the elements of the Yagi-Uda antenna. So correct answer for this is all of these above. Means option D is correct. Means here reflector, folded dipole and direction. These all of these correct answer for this question. Now come to the next question. What is the radiation pattern of the Yagi-Uda antenna? So correct answer is it is unidirectional. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. For a small distance, the area can be considered as dash region. So it is considered as flat region. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. The name of the process reduction of the signal strength due to variation in a refractive index. So reflexive index is based on the fading. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. The earth can be considered as which region for large distances? So correct answer is curved. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. Name the wave which travel in the line of the sight distance. So correct answer for this question is direct. Option C is your correct. Next question. The high frequency current is converted into electromagnetic wave by using of antenna. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. Which among of the following have defined the low signal strength in antenna? That is your null. So option B is your correct. Next question. The measurement of the unilateral property of the directivity is that is called beam width. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. Which of the following elements improve the directivity of an antenna? So parasitic elements are improve the directivity of the antenna. Option D is your correct answer. Next question. The measurement which define how the antenna concentrated its radiated power is given direction is that is your gain. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. To make more directional, either its size must be increased or its effective isotropic radiated power. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. A Yagi-Yoda antenna produced, so it is produced in fire array. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. Which layer of the atmosphere is used to most of for the communication? So ionosphere is mostly used for the communication. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. The parasitic element of an antenna will be, so it is decrease its directivity and also increase its directivity. So both option A and B is correct, means we say that option D is your correct answer for this question. Now come to the next question. What is meant by the driven element? So correct answer for this question is option B, the element fed by the transmission line. Next question. Which among of the following factors that determine the radiation resistance of an antenna? So correct answer for this question is the location of antenna with respect to nearby objects. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. What is the angle between the half power radiation points? So correct answer is beam width. So option A is your next question. The ratio of maximum radiation density to the average radiation intensity is directive gain. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. When antenna are close to the ground, then its polarization is vertical. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. Dash energy which radiate in the form of radio wave, infrared wave, light wave and X-ray etc. that is called your electromagnetic. So option D is your correct. Next question. Which among of the following is used to achieve maximum possible energy transferred between the transmitting and receiving station at particular distances? That is called your parabolic reflector. Option B is your correct answer. Next question. Which element is added to increase the gain to Yagi-Yoda array? That is called your using many directors. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. Dash define the orientation of electric field signal propagated from the antenna. So correct answer is polarization. Option A. Next question. Dash is a radiation from an antenna at other angle than the desired radiation is. So it is called the side lobe. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. Ratio of radiation resistance to the total resistance of the system is called. This is called the efficiency of an antenna. Option C is your correct answer. Next question. Which lobe contains the maximum radiation? So major lobe is contains the maximum radiation. Option A is your correct answer. Next question. Which among of the following element is used to supply power from the transmitter through the transmission line? So correct answer for this question is driven elements. Okay. Now next question. Radiation pattern of slot antenna is, that is your omnidirectional. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. The antennas are mounted vertically from the earth's surface at a low and medium frequencies, and then the effective length is referred to as. So correct answer is Option C, effective height. This is known as a single directive antenna. So correct answer for this question is option C, that is your corner reflector. Next question, antenna array having one active dipole element and two or more parasitic element is known as, this is known as Yagi-Uda antenna. Option B is the correct answer. Next question, this antenna is very useful as a multi-band HF receiving antenna. So long periodic antenna is very useful for the multi-band. Okay. Next question, which among the following term that is not related to the Yagi-Uda antenna? So here option B is correct, that is high gain, which is not related to the Yagi-Uda antenna. Next question, antenna gain means. So correct answer for this question is option D, the numerical ratio related to the radiation signal strength of an antenna to that another antenna. So option D is your correct answer. Next question, a parameter used to calculate the receiving power of an antenna is, that is called your effective aperture. Option D is your correct answer. Next question, ratio of radiated power to the power density of a incident wave, that is called your scattering aperture. So option A is your correct answer. Next question, angular separation between the first nulls of the pattern is called, this is called the first null bandwidth. So option A is your correct answer. Next question, dash is the effective radius resistance in the far field region. So correct answer is radiation resistance. Option C is correct. Next question, which among the following is called a directional antenna with two or more elements, that is called your array? Option A is your correct answer. Next question, dash is defined as the ratio of focal length to the mount of parabola. So correct answer is option B, aperture. Next question, dash of an antenna is inversely proportional to the frequency. So correct answer is size. Option D. Next question, ratio of radiated to the reflected energy is called, this is called radiation efficiency. Option A is correct. Next question, an antenna that transmits or receives quality well in all directions is said to be, this is said to be omnidirectional. Option B. Next question, the antenna's polarization is when the magnetic field of an antenna is perpendicular to the earth. So correct answer for this question is horizontal. Option B. Next question, ratio of a main beam area to the total beam area is called, this is called beam efficiency. Option C is your correct answer. Next question, antenna input impedance is otherwise known as, so this is known as feed point impedance. Option D is your correct answer. Next question, dash property describe the interchangeability for the transmitting and receiving operations. So correct answer is reciprocity. Option B is your correct. Next question, dash antenna is circular polarized. So correct answer is helical. Helical antenna is circularly polarized. Now next question, in a Crystone amplifier the input cavity is called, this is called vuncher. So option C is your correct answer. Next question, the wavelength corresponding to microwave range frequency is, this is 3 to 30 gigahertz. So option A is your correct answer. Next question, traveling wave tube TWT is, this is your wide band amplifier. Option C is your correct answer. Next question, which among the following is used as a high power microwave oscillator? So correct answer is magnetron is used for the high band high power microwave oscillator. Next question, microwave resonator are used in, this is used in all of these, means microwave narrow band amplifier, microwave frequency meter and microwave oscillator. So all of these are correct answer. Next question, what is the purpose of the electromagnetic field which surrounds a traveling wave tube. So correct answer for this question is option C, to keep the electrons from spreading out. Next question, a reflected Gladstone function as that is your microwave oscillator. Option B is correct. Next question, in a traveling wave tube, the amplitude of the resultant wave traveling down the helix. So correct answer is option B, increases exponentially. Next question, the frequency of the oscillation generated by a magnetron is mainly determined by, this is determined by the dimension of the each cavity resonator. So option A is your correct answer. Next question, the space between the two cavities in two cavities Gladstone is called, this is called the drift space. Option D is your correct answer. Next question, a traveling wave tube amplifier with virtue of a. So the correct answer for this question is option D, the absorption of energy by the signal from an electron stream. Next question, the main advantage of microwave is that is your highly directive. Option A is your correct. Next question, in a directional coupler, correct answer for this question is isolation equal the sum of the coupling and directivity. Option C is your correct. Next question, at what position is the input signal inserted into a TWT? So correct answer is your at the control grid of the electron gun. So option A is your correct. Next question, Gladstone operate on the principle of, so this is operate on the principle of velocity modulation. Option D is your correct. Next question, this is the progressive decrease of the signal strength with increasing distance. The correct answer for this question is option C, attenuation. Next question, which among the following devices uses a helix? So correct answer is option B, TWT. Next question, in a high power microwave pulse of a order of megawatts can be generated by, so it can be generated by magnetron. So option C is your correct answer. Next question, a waveguide section in a microwave circuit act as, so it is act as high pass filter. Option D is your correct answer. Next question, in a two cavity klystron, the input cavity resonator is also known as, so resonator is also known as buncher cavity. Option A is your correct answer. Next question, which among of the following devices used slow wave structure? So option A is correct, that is TWT. Next question, in a multi-cavity klystron, additional cavities are inserted between the buncher and catcher activity to the achieve. So this is achieved by the high gain. So option C is your correct answer. Next question, Vector and the step recovery diodes are widely used in what type of the circuit? So this is used in the frequency multiplier. So option B is your correct answer. Next question, which type of the diode does not ordinarily operate with reverse bias? So correct answer is tunnel. Option C is your correct. Next question, a common application for magnetron is, that is your radar. So option D is your correct answer. Next question, in a microwave power measurement using bolometer, the principle of the working is variation of. So correct answer for this question is resistance with absorption of power. So option D is your correct answer. Microwave are, so correct answer for this question is option C, that is neither reflected nor absorbed by the ionosphere. Next question, a microwave junction is matched at all part if the symmetric has, so asymmetric has all the dimensional elements are 0. So option A is your correct. Next question, in microstrip line has dielectric material most commonly used as, this is used as silicon. So option B is your correct answer. Next question, when microwave signals follow the curvature of the earth. This is known as ducting. Option C is your correct answer. In our TWT, the losses in attenuator is called option D, that is your almost equal to the forward gain of the tube. So option D is your correct. Next question. Keystone amplifier is not used to amplify very weak microwave signal due to of the high noise. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. Performance of the pin diode is represented as. So it is represented as option D, that is insertion low when switch is on and isolation low when switch is off. Option D is correct. Next question. In TE and TM mode of the rectangular waveguide having propagation is Z direction. So correct answer for this question is option C. In TE mode, Ez is 0 and in TM mode, Hz is 0. Next question. In RTWT, the phase velocity of the axial component of the field on the slow wave structure is kept. This is kept to the equal to the velocity of electron. Option C is your correct. Next question. Most of the power measuring microwave device measure the average power. So option C is your correct. Next question. A TEM wave is incident normally on the perfect conductor. The E and H field at the boundary will respectively be. This will be respectively minimum and maximum. Option D is your correct answer. Next question. In ionosphere, preparation is not possible for the microwave because of the microwave will penetrate through the ionosphere layer. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following is transferred electron device? So correct answer is gun diode. Option B is your correct. Next question. Microwave antenna aperture efficiency depend on the antenna aperture. Option A is your correct. Next question. At a microwave frequency, the size of the antenna becomes very small. So option C is your correct. Next question. In a microwave communication link, the fading due to the rain occurs. The method to solve this problem includes. So it is include the path diversity and frequency diversity. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. A pin diode can be used. This is used both as series and shunt mounted switches. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. Waveguides are pressurized above normal atmospheric pressure for. So correct answer for this question is option B, that is increasing the power handling capacity. Next question. Which of the following is not a microwave tube? So correct answer is cathode ray tube. Option D. Next question. The frequency determining portion of a magnetron is, that is your resonant cavity. Next question. Which among of the following is not a negative resistance device? So correct answer is varactor diode. Option C. Next question. The gain of a traveling wave tube is proportional to. So this is proportional to the length of tube. Option C. Next question. A disadvantage of the microstrip line as the connection of the compared to the strip line is that of former. So correct answer for this question is option B, are more likely to radiate. Next question. TWT is preferred to multi-cavity Keystone amplifier because it is. Option D is correct, that is greater bandwidth. Next question. The main advantage of TWT over a Keystone for microwave amplification is. So correct answer is wider bandwidth. Next question. Which device has internal position feedback? So correct answer is option A, reflex Keystone amplifier. Next question. In a TWT, the electron beam is density modulated by. So it is modulated by helix. Option C is correct. Next question. Attenuator is used to traveling wave tube too. So correct answer is preventing oscillation. Next question. the electric field in a TWT due to applied signal? So correct answer is option A, is directed along the helix axis. Next question. The main benefits of using microwave is, so main benefit is more spectrum space for signals. So option D is correct. Next question. The usable bandwidth of rigid waveguide is, so correct answer for this question is higher than that of rectangular waveguide. Option D. Next question. Which among of the following is not a disadvantage of the microwave? So correct answer is option B, that is your higher cost equipment. Next question. A traveling wave tube consists of, so it is consist of electron gun, helix and collector. Option B. Next question. Which among of the following frequency band were under the microwave frequency? So correct answer is option A, UHF, SHF and EHF. Next question. A largest application of the microwave is, that is your communication. So option B is your correct. In a gun diode, electrons are transferred from, so it is transferred from rigid guide is essentially a form of capacity loaded guide, means option B is your correct. Next question. Waveguide are not used for frequency below, that is your 500 megahertz. Option. Next question. PIN diodes has, so correct answer for this question is option A, that is P positive and N positive are separated by intrinsic layer. Next question. A reflex klystron oscillator uses, so it is uses one cavity resonator. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. The cutoff wavelength in circular waveguide, so correct answer for this question is option A, guide diameter. Next question. Most commonly used cross section of a waveguide is, that is your rectangular. So option A is your correct. Next question. What is the wavelength of a wave in a waveguide that is greater than in space? So option A is your correct answer. Next question. Signal propagation in a waveguide is by, so it is by electric and magnetic field. Option C. Next question. If VSWR is infinity, the transmission line is transmitted as, so option C is your correct, that is either A or B, that is your short circuit or open circuit. Next question. The correct sequence of part in klystron amplifier is, this is option D, that is your cathode, Wunsch cavity and catcher cavity. Next question. In a klystron amplifier, the Wunsch effect, so correct answer for this answer is option D, that is converts velocity modulation into the current modulation of beam. Next question. In a reflex klystron oscillator, replayer electrode is at, this is at the negative potential. Option B is your correct. Next question. What is the cut-off frequency of the waveguide? So correct answer is option A, lowest frequency the waveguide operates. Next question. In a TWT, the axial component of electric field advances along the tube at a velocity that is, option D is correct, that is a small fraction of speed of light. Now this session is end here. I hope you understand all the questions. If you have any query, so please comment me. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.